Hi there, my friend Chad Reyes here with you. You know, I share this story often. My older brother, he's a phenomenal chef. He's cooked for some very wealthy families at their home in the Hamptons and in their places in New York City, their penthouses. And, you know, the thing that I find fascinating is when I go to his house and he makes barbecue ribs, they're amazing. I mean, when I say amazing, they are absolutely delicious. And I sometimes get frustrated. I often get frustrated when I go home and I try to make those ribs because I use the same barbecue sauce, I use the same meat, but it doesn't taste the same. And one day I call him, right? And I say, Mark, what do you do with your ribs? Because I am so frustrated. So he asks me this question. He says, well, what do you do with your ribs? I said, I take the ribs, I put the barbecue sauce on them, I throw them on the barbecue, I've had the barbecue on high, it takes 25, 30 minutes, and I eat them and they're disgusting. He said, well, let me tell you what I do. And this, my friend, is a leadership and a growth perspective. He said, Chad, what I do is I take those same barbecue ribs and I put them in tin foil. And then I put them in the oven at 275 for 3 hours. And then they come out, and I take the same barbecue, the same meat with the same barbecue sauce, and I put it on them. And I've had that barbecue on for about an hour on a low flame. And then I put the ribs on there for another hour, hour and a half. He said, and at the end of it, what you love is my process. And my friend, that is a leadership and growth perspective. Because so many people want to grow quickly. It's almost like we're living in a microwave nation. The microwave, while it was a great invention, was also a terrible one. Because people now no longer want to go through the process. Like my brother had this process of developing and making delicious ribs. Everything you and I want in our lives is in us growing and embracing a process. And I want to encourage you today, embrace that process, because your growth will be delicious, like those ribs are delicious, if you embrace that process. Everything you and I want is in us growing. Until next time, be well.